Hey, Jason from XFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can bulk disable Chromebooks in Google Workspace using XFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the IT manager of a school or business organization needs to bulk disable Chromebooks. But Google Admin Console allows you to disable only limited Chrome devices of an organizational unit at a time. So there should be a way to do that. Let's see how Foresight helps in this scenario. Here you can see in Google Admin Console, under the Devices menu, we have these 50 devices in the Grade 1 organizational unit. Their status is provisioned, which means they are allowed in organizations. We will change the status to Disabled. Please note that for the demo purpose we are only taking 50 devices, while in real cases we can handle thousands of devices. In Part 1 we will export a list of Chromebooks from the Grade 1 organizational unit in CSV format. And in Part 2, we'll use that CSV to disable these Chromebooks. Part 1. Exporting Chromebooks in CSV list from Grade 1 organizational unit. Step 1. Sign into Foresight. Step 2. Go to the Rule page and click the plus blue button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select the manual trigger and then select List Chrome Devices action. Step 4. Here first, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in the Columns field, leave the default columns. Then in the Organizational Unit field, select Grade 1. Leave the rest of the fields as they are. Step 5. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Step 6. As you can see, the rule is created. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. Step 7. After a few seconds, you will see a notification in the top right corner. Click to see the results. As you can see, the rule is executed successfully and 50 devices have been exported. You can also see the results from log page. Open any result record by clicking the arrow and click the link to download the CSV file. Part 2. Disabling the Chromebooks via exported CSV file. Step 1. Sign into Foresight. Step 2. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the exported CSV file. After CSV is parsed, you can see the columns of CSV. Now click Next and select Disable Chrome Device action. Step 4. Here first, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in Device ID field, select Device ID. Step 5. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Step 6. As you can see, the rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. Step 7. You will see the rule is running. It may take a few seconds. After the rule has run, some notifications will appear in the top right corner. Click on the icon to see results or go to the log page. The rule has run successfully. You can see the status of all devices has changed to disabled. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.